First word is salt. Lover. English meaning a compound formed when an acid reacts with a base. Example in English, common salt is used in cooking. In Hindi, साधारण लवण खाना बनाने में इस्तेमाल होता है. Next is reaction, अभिक्रिया. English meaning a process in which substances change to form new substances. Example, burning of paper is a chemical reaction. In Hindi, कागज का जलना एक रासायनिक अभिक्रिया है. Next is physical change, भौतिक परिवर्तन. English meaning a change in shape, size or state without forming a new substance. Example, melting of ice is a physical change. In Hindi, बर्फ का पिघलना एक भौतिक परिवर्तन है. Chemical change, रासायनिक परिवर्तन. English meaning a change in which a new substance is formed. Example, rusting of iron is a chemical change. लोहा जंग लगना एक रासायनिक परिवर्तन है. Solvent, विलायक. English meaning a substance that dissolve another substance. Example, water is called a universal solvent. पानी को सार्वभौमिक विलायक कहा जाता है. Solute, विलेय. English meaning a substance that dissolve in a solvent. Example, sugar acts as a solvent when mixed with water. चीनी पानी में मिलाने पर विलेय की तरह कार्य करती है. Acid, अम्ल. English meaning a substance that tastes sour and turns blue litmus red. Example, lemon juice contains acid. नींबू के रस में अम्ल होता है. Base, क्षार. English meaning a substance that tastes bitter and turns red litmus blue. Example, soap is a base. साबुन एक क्षार है. Atom, परमाणु. English meaning the smallest unit of matter. Example, an atom is too small to be seen without a microscope. Molecule, अणु. English meaning two or more atoms joined together. Example, a water molecule has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Element, तत्व. A pure substance made of only one type of atom. For example, oxygen is an important element for living things. The last word is compound, yaugic. A substance made of 2 or more elements chemically combined. For example, salt is a compound of sodium and chlorine. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.